Guys, Thunder here. Welcome
Wait,
back. What
it
am I
didn't work.
really? I'm gonna keep that.
Professionalism.
Unprofessionalism! Yay! Yay, unprofessionalism. Ignore all background sounds you may hear during said video. We are very
Yes,
unprofessional. We do not have soundproofing.
yes. I think they know.
Yeah, I do think they
Okay, I'm gonna just mess around with some setting. Oh, okay, it's a great match. I'm creating the match, but I'm gonna mess with some of my settings. So you keep playing. I gotta mess with my settings to get
know.
mine to
Okay,
work.
this is what happens when we record or even play Rocket League. I do all the work.
No, you don't, Super. Stop
I
trying to take
score
credit.
all the goals.
Okay,
I
orange.
do everything. And Gunner just looks at his paper.
Paper,
Not paper.
paper, paper. Okay, I'm gonna start recording. What's up, everybody? Ignore all background noise because my little brother wants to be annoying.
Like you. Eh.
Jake, go. Close the door, please, Jake. So
Gunner,
laggy.
why? I was going to score it.
The trolls of 2016. No! Jake. Ouch. This is gonna be called Annoying Little Brother while playing Rocket League.
My little brother part
So
2. The
laggy
annoying.
on video.
For Gunner, everything lags. Gunner, you saved it. No, you messed it up.
Shush. Get the. Oh my gosh, step the field. Dear gosh. Come on. Back.
Welcome
Okay.
back, buddy.
Thank you, buddy. Okay, there we go. Much better.
Ah, buddy, you messed it up.
No, buddy, I got this.
No, buddy, you messed it up. You messed me up again. Like usual.
The use. I'm still laggy, but I can still play. And what's funny is how come I said to US West this time, and I'm still
Yeah,
lagging.
Gunner's the one that hosting it, and he still and his internet sucks.
Shut
Ooh,
the
I got
door
it.
now.
I scored in your
Whoops.
face. I'm the best around. Ain't
I
no
think I
one to
crashed.
stop me
Okay.
now.
Uh-oh. My record. Okay, it's all good.
Yeah.
Stop.
Woo. Look at me go.
I really want to lock on my door. Then I just get to lock them out. Stop. Jake.
Oh,
Nice. Stop.
victory! Money! Prepare
Give
to
it.
watch amazingness. Pew.
I
And
want to
go
lock my
in your
door.
face.
I really do.
What?
Because my brother's just being annoying. My brother's being annoying. Like usual.
Pew.
Nice shot, buddy. Oh no. Buddy, they're gonna score. Oh, never mind.
Hiya!
Buddy, I cleared it. By almost scoring a goal. Buddy! Welcome,
See, I
buddy.
do all the work.
I helped there.
No, you didn't
Watch,
watch.
on my screen I hit
There
you.
was no helping.
On my screen I boosted you at the end.
Okay, well I guess I'll see this in the recording. Because now you can't lie to me.
Yeah, that's true. Darn it. I knew I should have never done YouTube. Because now I can't lie.
Yeah.
Thanks for the money, buddy.
You're welcome,
Stop.
buddy. Ow!
Dude, I'm gonna have to scrap this video.
Why?
Because my little brother wants to keep interrupting. And now I have no sound. Now I'm lagging. Buddy? Buddy?
Yeah, buddy.
Jake, you know what? I'm not going on PlayStation with you. Yeah, I'm gonna have to scrap this.
So
Please,
we're
dear
gonna
God,
start
she
all
won't.
over?
Yes.
I'm gonna keep this though.
No, you aren't.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm just not gonna record Rocket League because I can't do it. My recording just sucks.
I guess what? Gold.
Great for you.
I'm still keeping it because my end is perfect.
I know on your end it's perfect.
I'm just gonna finish this game, then I'll start recording everyone. Sorry.
Joe, why am I still lagging? I'm lagging so badly. Okay, it's better.
Okay, I won. Thank you all very much. I scored all of
B.
the goals. You can see that I scored all of the goals. The top hat crew won again. I unlocked the
Yeah, that's
entire.
because I was the one that was normally
Okay,
being
thank you all
filled
for
with.
watching. Have a lovely day, and see you later, nerds. I'm not calling you nerd because it's just my outro. Sorry.